In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, share, and edit snapshots in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct area before creating anything. If you're currently inside a sub-account, you'll need to switch over to Agency View first, because snapshot management is handled from the agency side of the platform. Once you see the option to switch, click on Switch to Agency View and wait for the main agency dashboard to load. After that, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Account Snapshots. This is where you can create and manage snapshots for your accounts. When the Snapshots page opens, click on Create Snapshot to begin the setup process. Now you'll be asked to enter a snapshot name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple snapshots later. A descriptive name will make it much easier to identify the right one when you need to use, update, or share it in the future. Next, select the sub-account you want to pull the snapshot from. This is an important step because the snapshot will be based on the assets and setup inside that specific account. Once you've selected the correct sub-account, click Next. At this point, Gohighlevel will begin preparing the assets. This can take a little time depending on the amount of data and configuration inside the account, so just let it load fully. It's best not to click around too much during this stage. Simply wait until the process is complete and the next screen becomes available. Once everything has loaded, continue with creating the snapshot. You'll then be able to select the assets you want included. This part gives you control over what goes into the snapshot, so take a moment to review your options carefully. Select the assets you need, and when you're ready, click Create. After the snapshot has been created, you can share it. To do that, find the three-dot menu next to the snapshot you want to work with. Click those three dots, then choose Share Snapshot. That will generate the sharing option for that snapshot so it can be distributed as needed. And that's the full process for creating and sharing a snapshot in Gohighlevel. If you're organizing several snapshots, a good habit is to keep the names consistent and easy to understand, so future edits and sharing are much simpler. Follow this same workflow anytime you need to package a sub-account setup and make it reusable.